You are aware that I'm wired and connected, officer. Well, we know on October 31st at approximately 10:31 p.m., you made a routine traffic stop. Want to tell me what happened after you did a search on the car?
I don't know. It's kind of embarrassing.
Oh, why is it embarrassing?
She's the one who propositioned me.
Proposition you for what?
She's the one who came on to me. I'm a guy.
That's what guys do.
Here. Look at the bruises. This guy, what an idiot. Always a no-show. 6-year-old pervert, looking at my breasts like his mother. Looks nothing like his headshots. 3 sex change operations in a year. No wonder I can't find what I'm looking for. So, where's your partner? She on duty? She play hooky?
I don't know. It's cold and flu season. Didn't you get the memo?
Depends on who's sending it.
You got a point. All right, fill me in.
Gina Garibaldi, senior at NYU Tisch. Bernie's supporter. Went to a rally. Came back from the rally. When she got close to the dorm, pants ripped open, tossed to the ground, panties ripped, the rest is history.